Today I'm going to teach you how to build a simple productivity system in just 2 minutes. Emphasis on the simple. Let's start with, what is a system? A system is something that will allow you to reach your goals. What is a goal? A goal is something you want. So this is the basic framework. Pick a goal, build a system, get what you want. Make sense? Say for example, my goal is to build a photo book. How do we build a system around that? Well, the simplest system we can build is a quota. A quota is simply a minimum requirement of whatever we have to do to achieve our goals. So to build a photo book, the quota could mean 30 minutes of working on the book a day. 30 minutes each and every day, and eventually the book will be done. I'll give you another example. Say your goal is to read 20 books this year. Your quota could either be 15 minutes of reading a day or to read 1 page a day. You can pick a number based on quantity of time or quantity of pages, whichever you prefer. If you read 15 minutes a day every day, eventually you'll get through the whole book. And then eventually you'll get through 20 books. So this number is something you can adjust as you go. As you get better, 15 minutes can easily become 30, which can end up being an entire hour, and so on and so forth. But I would recommend to start small. Begin with a dragon you can actually slay. This could mean dialing it back down to even as low as 5 minutes a day or even just 1 minute a day, and then work your way up. So now we have a system. Make sure you stick to it. Even the famous author Stephen King still uses his simple 6 pages of writing a day system. So it really doesn't matter what level you're at, no one is too good to do the work. If you stick to the systems each and every day, eventually you will reach whatever goal you have chosen. So that's it. That's the simplest productivity system you can build today to get started and achieve your goals. If you found this helpful, make sure you share this with a friend who's also trying to get stuff done. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.